Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So, on this video, we're going to be looking at an accessory for the Apple AirTag. Now, this is not a conventional AirTag accessories. I actually still a little bit confused to who this accessory is made for. But we have the accessory inside this box here. Obviously, I got it from this place here. I'm just waiting for the day they're gonna send me an email saying they're sponsoring me. Obviously, I've hit them up, but they ignored me. But anyways, we're gonna keep on trying. So inside this box, we have the accessory, which you probably already know by the thumbnail. But obviously, I've already opened it, as you guys can see. I just took a peek inside to see what exactly is inside and the size. But this is what the accessory, where the accessory comes on. It comes on this little plastic bag here from Mr. Protect. And this guy here is a strap for your AirTag. Now, I did run a poll on Instagram asking if some of you guys actually went and get an AirTag, and only around, I think, 4 of you actually got AirTag. That was on Instagram. Obviously, if you're not following me on Instagram, you can do just that. My handles are always down in the description, and when you make your way down there, also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and obviously if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, you do just that. So this is the AirTag WATCH strap, which actually reminds me back when there wasn't an Apple Watch yet. I used to have those iPod Nano, if I still remember the name correctly, and they used to sell strap for the iPod Nano, which you could actually adapt and use it as a makeshift Apple Watch. I don't know where that watch is. I probably lost it by now. But coming back to the strap, this is what the strap looks like. Now, they make in a couple of colors. I know there's white, there is brown, blue, and this guy here. This is the green, if I'm not mistaken. Now, the way this works is simple. You grab your AirTag and you put it inside the strap. And you have an AirTag watch. Let's try this thing on. I'm laughing because I'm still thinking, who did they have in mind when they actually made this guy? Normally, I don't know why I use the watch on this hand. That's why I keep struggling. So let's take the Apple Watch off my wrist, and we're going to put this guy on. So quite simple. You just put it on there. If I can just do this quick, I'll probably just cut this part when I edit. But yeah, it wasn't that hard. So put it on and then you close. It kind of reminds me of I used to have a fitness band that it's similar to this in terms of size. But yeah, that's how actually it fits. Let's put the Apple Watch also on the side and compare in terms of sizing. Okay, there we go. As you guys can see, I now have an AirTag watch right there. Now, when I bought this, what I thought of who it would be beneficial to or for would be, let's say, if you're a parent and you have a kid, let's say you're playing with your kid in the park and you can easily just get this thing, strap him on, and in case it kinda goes far or maybe just gets lost, hopefully not, you can actually use the AirTag to track that kid. Apart from that, I actually couldn't really find another reason why one would use this thing, and that's why I have you guys. I want you guys to go down in the comments and leave a comment on where and who would you think this would be appropriate for. Yeah. And that's basically it for this guy. Let me try and see how the vibration actually feels while I have the actual strap on me. So all I need to do is go to my find my app. And if you missed the original video of the AirTag, I'm gonna link it up here so you can actually find it easily. I had a video where I unboxed it and showed you guys how to basically use it. So I have it set as my wallet, so if I play sound, and that's the sound. Let's see if I can, does it vibrate though? Find, okay, let's do find. Oh no, I even forgot. It's not the AirTag itself that vibrates, it's the phone that vibrates when it's finding the AirTag. All you can do actually is just play the sound, and that's actually good. If your kid is not close by, that's if you end up using it in a park, you can always play the sound, which would mean now it's time to gather around and leave and maybe go home. So yeah, this is basically it for this video. I'm going to be live tonight. Taking this video goes up when it's supposed to. It's Apple's event tonight, WWDC 21. So I'm gonna be live here on YouTube. Make sure you join me later on. Obviously, I'm going to have one of those thumbnails so you can actually set a reminder to join. But I'm gonna go live right after the event so we can just catch up and talk about what was announced at that event, and we can just hang out. Otherwise, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Obviously, click that notification bell button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.